In all my 40 plus years of construction, I've never seen this part of the process, and I was intrigued to find out how it was accomplished. In simple terms, the first thing you do is pick a reference point. The rest of the work flows from there. Tools our excavator used were a leveled rotating laser and a measuring stick. On the measuring stick was an audible device that sounded when the laser was dead nuts on, or if it was too high or too low. Then the excavator worked from there. Using a helper who held the measuring stick, the excavator gradually and carefully sculpted the hilltop to the desired finished grade. Referencing the plans, the excavator knew how deep the footers needed to be. So, with his helper with measuring stick in hand, he proceeded to trench for the footers, occasionally having his helper step down into the trench with the measuring stick to ensure that he did not go past the specified depth. You may be asking, what was our reference point? In this case, we used our wellhead as the reference point. That was not going to change. Much longer until I'll be calling Restoration Ranch home. But right now it's elsewhere. It's where my girl is. And that's my center of gravity. Where she is, that's where my heart lies. So that's where I'm headed now. Good week. Got a lot done. Got the footers poured and the forms are pulled. Got the pump for the well installed. And I've cut the preliminary trail for the top of the hill down to the barn road cut as well. So everything I was hoping to get done this week, I got done. So good week. Looking forward to getting home with my girl and doing a little celebration and dance there. But this was a good